This is Andy from Decent Traders at a red day trading AMC. I made 4 trades in the simulator. My first trade was a short. It might look like a 1-minute breakout. That was not the case. I shorted because I saw the stock kind of hang around this level here. Like it didn't try to break up instantly. So then I saw the opportunity. I went short and I saw the drop. I tried to get out over here at this end of this wick, but I did not. The trading simulator filled me up here, so I got a really small profit, if not any profit. And then I did some dumb moves. So here I saw these 2 bars that went short, so then I just went short because I felt like the stock would continue its trend of going down following these 2 bars. But first, the market makers, they had to do something to me, so they just squeezed me up and they squeezed me out perfectly. You can see here. This happens to me a lot. Happened to me today. And then I got pretty frustrated. I got in again. So even though they shook me out, I got in the second time. I had my goal at the SMA down here. But unfortunately, the stock never went down there, so I had to get stopped out again. So then those are losses. And then eventually it did drop. Okay, and this time I finally got in. And this time it did work. So that's a good thing, because I felt like the stock has settled down, because in the first 2 minutes the stock was pretty wild here. And then after this short, I first saw it squeeze up to the 90 MA. That might have been a little scary, but my stop loss was at the VWAP, so that's fine. And then after it dropped, I saw it hang around at this dotted line here. I felt like the stock was gonna continue being weird and then move around a lot, so I just got out. But it turns out the stock just dumped. Okay, so I could have made this money back, and then eventually it just started being itself. But even though this thing dropped, I don't think I would get this profit, because my goal was the SMA, so I would eventually get out of the SMA, so that would only be a little more sense. So I don't think this trade would make my day green.